Number of entries will come here. Here you can see the number of entries. Then generate integration module. After generate integration module, then go to the other transition, next transition code CFM2, where we can activate your integration. There you give the model name which you are created in CFM1 and logical system and application. What application you used, and it just execute. Then you will see the list of entries what to be get released, or what are the integration model you created. Then it will be like this. Before it will be like this only, like this. You can see all three because I tried to see for the three plants at a time. So just it will be XX. First you have to activate this new status as new, activate it. Then you have to start it. Then we can ignore the messages, just the information messages, whatever sitting in down. After ignoring, you will get this message: activation or deactivation of the selected model is complete. Okay, that means your plant W9 is shipped to the EWM from ECC. This is the step number 6. Clarification here, it is very straightforward. Hello guys, do you have it? Hello? Yeah.
Prashant, what about material customer vendors?
Vendors, yeah, we will take in class number 3 and 4.
Okay.
Okay. Shipping will take another classes. First, you have to create material. Material we have to create in ECC. That you have to ship it to EWM. I will show you. Then we have to come with the vendor. The creating vendor that will ship it to the EWM.
Same way like
Same.
plant.
The plant shipping is the same. Only the object will get changed. Instead of plant, it will come material. If you are shipping, it will come material. If you are shipping the vendor, it will come vendor. The customer. Okay, but all the procedure will be same. Same procedure. You have to go to CFM2 for the integration module. Then you have to click on new status, and then it will save. Okay. Here the thing is, material will be shipped as a product in the EWM. Plant, vendors, and customers are shipped into EWM, not as plant and vendors vendor, customers customer. They are shipped as business partners. They are shipped as business. Okay. All the for EWM, all are one. Customer also they see as business partner, and vendor also business partner, plant also seen as business partner. Okay, we will discuss in the later stages. Okay. Now the plant has got. Now we have to create the business partner. Here for plant will be somewhat different in the EWM. After shipping the plant, we have to create the business partner for the plant. For the shipping of the plant, you have to create. Now the plant data is available in EWM. You have to create the data, the plant data as business model. Now a plant has got shipped. Now we will go to. I will take up your question later. go to class number 7. We have to create the plant as business partner. Why you want to create a plant as business partner? After setting the plant from ECC to EWM, I will tell you. Now you have to first to create. You have to create the plant as business partner as in BP. The transition code is for BP business partner. Okay, they enter the BP role. BVP is 003. Business partner. Let me create business partner first. 9099 same business partner I will create it. Otherwise you can create your own business partner, but you have to assign your so business role. Plant, you have to take a plant here. Just number assignment intro. Okay. You are creating a business partner for my seafood plant. I am creating same business partner as same as 9099. Okay. The same here. This screen will be creation of plant, same as creation of plant. And this screen, I'm wearing ECC. How we created the plant? No, they will be there. 99 plant as business partner. You have to set the number range. Will it take? Yeah. Okay. Otherwise, I'll forget.
Venkat?
Yeah.
When you search with that plant, it should be already available. Just change it across. Yeah, the left hand side business partner, give the number by number.
Nine zero nine nine.
I think it's sorry. Yeah, above that start button.
Here.
No, no. Here, where you have given the start button, right? Above that, there is when we something like blank window.
Here. No, I think it is not exist. I think.
Through MKVZ we can check, no, sir, it is there in database or not.
Sorry.
MKVZ T code vendor BP list.
MKBZ.
V for victory, sir.
MK, all these things are in ECC.
ECC, not in EWM.
Prashant, you can check in BUT 000 table. BUT 000 table.
BUT 000, right?
Right.
BUT 001 or 000?
Only 000.
Yeah, this one.
Only 000. Table.
It is God safe, right? Logical system, okay, we are given EWM client. No, it has got shift actually. So we'll come to know in identification tab whether it is got shift or not, the data got shift or not. We'll go here. 90. Then we have to go to identification tab. Identification tab. There we have to go to identification. There we enter mention below ID type. Come down. It will be here ID type. Come down. It will be ID type.